Welcome to our channel. Today, I have taken a paper, course number MPA 012, Administrative Theory, from Master of Arts, Public Administration of IGNOU. And the marks allotted and the time allotted are 103 respectively. And the note is, attempt any 5 questions in about 500 words each, selecting at least 2 questions from each section. All questions carry equal marks. So here, each question carry 20 marks. And you are supposed to write 500 words per question. And I will just go through the questions that are there. And out of 10 questions that are there, we are required to select 5 of them and answer them within 3 hours. The first question, and there are section 1 and section 2, and in section 1, the following questions are there. Discuss the importance and role of public administration under liberalization, privatization, and globalization. Define organization and discuss its major principles. Write a note on the growth of administrative theory over the years. Critically examine scientific management approach of F.W. Taylor. Write short notes or in about 250 words on each of the following: critique of Weberian bureaucracy, models of organizational influence. Explain Frederick Herzberg's motivation hygiene theory. Discuss system approach with special reference to David Easton's views. Examine the recent trends in management of organization. Define organizational culture and discuss its major components. Write short notes on in about 250 words on each of the following: new public administration and public choice approach. Here, when there is a question with 250 marks, it will carry 10 marks. Therefore, if there are 2, it is against the 20 marks per question. And for the purpose of illustration, I have taken today the question number 2, define organization and discuss its major principles, which I am going to present in the next video that is going to be there.